Welcome to Microsoft Word Guide for Beginner. Today we will learn how to go through Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word. These are different document, but today we will learn using blank document. Choose blank document in order to open new document. On your top right hand side of the screen, click on the tab File in order to save the document. Click Save As and then browse to choose where to save the Word document. Now let's save the document on the desktop. Click Desktop. Rename the file name. Then click Save. We have saved our document as you see on the screen as Doc2. This is a blank document and let's insert some text. Let's start with Home tab. We have several features in Word including bold. Select the statement first, then click bold icon. On the menu bar to bold the header. Let's change the font size to 22. Click italic icon to apply italic format. And underline icon to underline our topic or text. OK. Let's increase the font size a bit by clicking the bigger A and smaller A icon to reduce the font size. This case icon is used to format a text to sentence case or lowercase or uppercase or capitalize each word or toggle case in a paragraph. Click uppercase to change the topic to capital letter or uppercase. Capitalize each word to capitalize first letter in a statement. Let's remove the italic format by selecting the whole topic and click italic button in the menu bar. This cross line icon, this how it works. To use a power method in Word, we use a superscript and subscript. First you will select the text or number that you want, then for superscript click this icon. And this for subscript. You can modify the text as you want it to look and change color. Let's type a list in order to use bullets listing format. Select the list text, then click bullet icon. Click the drop-down arrow to select more bullets from the bullet library. This for number listing. Click the drop down to select from the library. This for text alignment. First is left alignment, R align on the left hand side. Second is center alignment, the text R align in the middle as you see. Then third is right alignment, text R align on the right hand side. Then last is justification, align on both right and left side. Line spacing, you can choose spacing of your choice and change of paragraph color. These are headings, mostly they are used while using table of content. Go watch my video of table of content to see how it works. Let's go to Insert tab. Start by inserting a black page by clicking a blank page on top right hand side of the menu bar. We have our second page here. Next we will insert a table by placing our cursor on table and selecting numbers of columns and rows we want. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, this our table. Now here are option used to insert, delete, and modify the table. Let's merge the first row. Right click and click on merge cell. These are other option to modify the table. Merge two column as you see. Let's insert a row above merge row. Right click and click on insert, then choose the position option. Undo everything. Then, let's insert text by first merging cell and click the cell to type. Align the text in center. Now let insert image by clicking the picture on the menu bar to select or insert image. Choosing image, then insert. Let's insert shape. Click shape of your choice as you see. Then drag to the document. Click color to refill color. Click the shape fill to select color. Then drag to the document. Click Color to refill color. Click the Shape Fill to select color. We are now going to insert charts. Click Chart. Choose Column for Cluster Column. Then OK to close the chart screen. It loading our chart now. Let's edit our chart now. Then line chart. Then pie chart. Let's edit values on the chart sheet too. You can drag to enlarge or reduce to cover the QRT. To edit the appearance of the chart by select different format on the menu bar. Let go on how to insert drop cap. Select the paragraph and then click on the drop down arrow to select one of your choice. Let's customize the drop cap by clicking drop cap option. Select line to be covered by the as you see. Then OK. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.